I see you back there. Go on, get out of here. Shoot. Go annoy someone else for a while.
Hey, are you okay over there?
Hello? Oh, hello, sir. Thank goodness. It's nice to know someone else is up here.
I can smell you.
What? You can smell us?
I can smell you.
Hey.
You were talking to a rock. Hey, that one looks like a turtle. Look at that one. That one looks like a dog. Oh, it is a dog.
What?
We're not allowed to have dogs in my apartment. Hey, I like dogs.
We have your dog.
Whoa.
Wonder who he belongs to.
Sit, boy. Hey, look, he's trained. Shake. Uh-huh. Speak.
Hi there.
Did that dog just say hi there?
Oh, yes.
Brat!